guys. That was insane. High Point is down, Rhode Island.
When High Point University, the Big South champs, got announced into the bracket, look at this video, AJ. That's awesome. That's what it's all about.
All right, Dan, I am wearing my High Point Panthers t-shirt. I am a Panther to the day I die. Appreciate it.
It's like, let's just go find out where we're going to be. And then also, let's go berserk and let the world know how appreciative and pumped we are about this.
We just got to the airport now. We're about to get off the bus.
Hop on the plane, and we're going to Rhode Island.
I hope High Point does well. I hope they go on a magical run, strictly because of the way they were rolled into my life.
We just got on the plane, dude. We are so hyped up right now. Next stop is Providence.
Let's go.
Good morning from Providence, Rhode Island. We are so excited to be here.
Headed into the arena now. Providence? Let's go, Panthers. It's tip-off time. It's going crazy in here. Let's go, Panthers.
It's been great. I mean, you see the energy that this group has. You know, it's been amazing to see the connection that this campus has rallied around the people. You see it. You see it. This campus is hype. It's exciting. And the energy runs through it.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
The marching band is hyped. It's getting rowdy. We're ready for the second half.
Two basketball sportscasters from High Point University joining their Panthers in their first ever big dance. The duo called the game, and they even got to travel with the team.
Yeah, man, it's been a blessing, especially to do it with this guy right here, and then, obviously with all the viral sensation. And with this team, man, it was so much fun, and I'm just super blessed with this opportunity we got.
Here's a look at the High Point student radio broadcaster. They are having the time of their lives.